Solutions' first car. Billet 632 Big Block Chevy with twin 94s on it.
This car's been around a while.
Yeah.
Well, we always love seeing the car out here. Always love seeing Boost Solutions. Good luck today, man.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Shit, baby. Boost Solutions #1. All the way.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna take it down on both.
Who you running the final?
We got Zavo. Bad motherfucker, but we got something for him. So we're gonna get him.
Turn it up a little bit. It's getting cooler.
Yeah. That's top secret. Zavo might have paid you off.
Oh yeah, car's definitely working, man. You gotta be happy.
Yes, sir. She's ready. So
Sweet. Good luck for the final.
Hey,
Good luck. Takes home the